So to set up payment methods through Venmo or Stripe or whatever, you have to set this currency as well. You basically have to go over to the website editor and then click pages. And then you will find where you want to set the currency and payment methods and click edit button on the e-commerce page. Click store, click the payment methods tab, and then e-commerce page, click settings, and then click payment methods. And the currency, let's now take a look at that. Select the main currency for your website. Basically, that's going to be euros or USD or whatever. And then you can also enable the multi-currency to have different currencies available for your customers. For example, if someone is from Europe, they will have it in euros. For example, if someone is from the United States, they will have it in US dollars. And that's pretty much how you can do it. There's also offline payment methods as well, which you can also enable. And there's wallets, for example, for the PayPal and Amazon Pay. I'm not quite certain if SITE123 supports Google Pay and Apple Pay. And there's also a credit card gateway provider, conversion code, and all of this stuff. So you can pause this video and read all of this. So yeah, that's how you do it.